Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So it's been about 6 months since I installed the USR headlights on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300, and it's been a little over a year since I installed the USR taillights on this car. And what I want to do is I want to give you an update of how they're holding up. I want to give you an update on the condition, on the functionality, on the performance, and my pros and cons. Also, if you stay till the end of the video, I got a surprise for you guys. My wife and I have been driving this car a lot, visiting family, going to the store, whatever, and we're driving in the cold, in the rain, in the snow, in the sun, and the headlights have held up really well. I mean, there's barely any nicks and scratches on it. I mean, you get the normal pitting from stuff from the road hitting the headlights, but other than that, there's no leaks, there's no cracks, there's no condensation. It's just holding up really well. As for the taillights, they're pristine. I mean, they look perfect. For functionality, I mean, there's really nothing to complain. They do what they're supposed to do. The low beams work really well, the high beams work well, the turn signals work well, the daytime running lights work well. I mean, everything just works perfectly. And as for the USR taillights, there's nothing to complain. They work 100%. The brake lights work well, the turn signals work well, the reverse light works well, and also there's no errors at all on my dashboard. As for performance, the front headlights, they work perfectly. I mean, after 6 months, the low beams, the high beams, the turn signals, the daytime running lights, they look exactly how they looked 6 months ago when I initially installed the headlights. It hasn't dimmed, it hasn't flickered, it hasn't turned yellow, nothing. Everything just operates the way it's supposed to. As for the USR taillights, again, no issues, and that one's been installed over a year and it's been through a lot and it still shines bright just like the first day I installed them. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros, they're super affordable from USR. They really enhance the look of the car. I mean, for the back tail lights compared to the old OEM ones, that was a big jump. For the headlights, that is a major jump going from halogen to the LED style. So I'm really happy that I upgraded both the front headlights and the taillights to the USR lights. So now let's talk about the cons. For the taillights, I have no issues with them whatsoever. For the headlights, I just wish it was a tad brighter. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're amazing lights when you compare them to the stock halogen headlights. They're wider, they're brighter, and the beam is so much cleaner and crisp. However, if you do compare these USR headlights to like the OEM LED headlights, they're not as bright as those. So I just wish they were slightly brighter, but I mean, as is, I'm really happy with the way they perform. So if you're still rocking the OEM halogen taillights and headlights, definitely check out USR. I'll leave links in the description below, and of course, I'll have my discount code there as well. So if you made it this far to the end of the video, here's my surprise for you guys. So in my garage, I have a set of brand new W205 USR headlights that I'm giving away. And if you want to enter to win it, I'll leave information in the description below for the contest giveaway. And if you win, I hope you slap the headlights on and really enjoy them. And if you didn't win, you can still go to USR's website, use my discount code, and be able to get a discount off the headlights or taillights. So there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.